welcome back to my channel. Today is actually really exciting because I will be unboxing my first bag from a new brand that I'm trying out. So I have had my eye on this brand for a bit, but just never really pulled the trigger. I've never seen one in person, and that's why. Typically, I just like to gauge like quality, especially when it's a newer brand. And so by the title, I know that y'all know it's a Strathberry, but I hope that I pronounce it right. I've just seen so much, especially recently on it, and it's like the perfect style that y'all know I love. And I just figured, why not give it a shot? So I'll go into more detail on that, but let's just go ahead and unbox her. They had a sale at the time, and I don't think the sale is going on anymore. With every $200 you spend, you got $50 off. And so I was like, that makes this like a really great price, because I also had a gift card from them. So I essentially paid half, actually more than half, or less than half out of pocket. I think I only spent like $200 on this one. But yeah, let's go ahead and open her up and take a look. So we have the box. It comes in this little tote, but of course it's a little dust bag. I really like this because if this works out, then I'm going to be taking it to travel. And then I think you can use this for so many different things. Gucci also does this, and I really love using their bags. But this one's like really great, like quality. And then the interior is like this really nice like linen lining. You have a little booklet for a care guide. And let's take her out, and here she is. So we have the East-West mini bag by Strathberry. So I love this little bar style that they have. I just feel like it's so like minimal. I think it's very like, what's like the popular term right now? Like quiet luxury, subtle luxury. And you guys, this is incredible material. I'm like blown away. So like for pricing, from what I've seen, I feel like it compares more to what Coach is doing now, and then like a higher end Tory Burch price. So right now on the website, this retails for $6.45. Again, I got it for, I think it was like $2.21 with tax, and I live in Texas, so it's like an 8% tax, because of the discount Saks had. And then of course, again, I had a gift card. I think that was like for $2 something. So I would still pay, I think it's definitely worth the price just based off of looking on this. I think the quality, like just holding it is very, like, I don't know how, like if you can see how thick that is, but the quality just looks incredible. It has champagne gold hardware, which I love. I love gold, but I just love how light this is. And you guys, I'm just absolutely in love with this. It doesn't have a back pocket. Y'all know I prefer a back pocket on bags, but it's just so large, even though this is the mini too. I definitely think this is gonna, y'all will definitely see more of this brand coming to my channel. And actually, let me just say it now. I also ordered a second bag from this brand as well. So I think that'll actually be the next video after this, because I want to try out a different style as well. But yeah, this is absolutely beautiful. I have just seen so many like great like reviews on this, and so I figured I would just try both. And also just in case I didn't like one, I could like try the other. But I don't know if it's anything like this. I think this is such an incredible piece. On the bar you have Strathberry, which is really like a cool detail. The chain is also pretty different. Let's take this off, and then we can also cover dimensions while I'm taking this off. So this bag, again, this is the mini. The single strap, oh, and let me show y'all. The strap is really cool because it's adjustable, which is something that I just also really love. Well, let's start with actual dimensions and then get into the strap. So, sorry guys, I'm just really excited. So this will probably, of course, be all over the place. For dimensions, it is 4.7 inches in height. It is 7.1 inches in width, and then 3.5 inches in depth. So you can fit, again, a lot of stuff in here, which of course we will do a what fits at the end. For the strap, similar to most styles, the chain's also like, it has a different detail than what you typically see. It's like a rounder style, which is actually really cool. This just looks so beautiful. To open it up, it has a little magnetic closure in here. You also have the Strathberry like written out right here, but you should just be able to lift. Here's the magnetic closure. And then open up the flap. And then here's the interior. Y'all, I'm absolutely obsessed with this bag. I wish I would have looked at this brand sooner. While I'm cutting this up and before I get into the chain length, if you saw my most recent luxury wish list video, I talked about getting the Gucci Super Mini for like events and weddings. And honestly, I like that bag, but I don't know, I know it's something that I've always liked and I've always wanted, right? Especially like when it was really popular, like however many years ago. And so I think I just always had it on my wish list for that reason. But I don't know, lately I've just been going back and forth, and I was debating on getting maybe even like a Louis Vuitton Felicie in the cream color, because I really just want like a smaller, you know, bag that's cream or white. And then I saw that this bag came in a white Croc, and y'all know I love Croc, and so I was like, you know what, let me actually just give this a shot. I saw they had a mini one, so I thought it'd be perfect for like going out and evening wear. And so this is definitely going to be what I'm replacing the Gucci Super Mini on my wish list with this. I think this is so much nicer. You can fit so much more stuff, and it's what, like half the price, like literally half the price. But yeah, I'm definitely keeping this. I think it's beautiful and I love it. So for the strap, when it's a double strap, it is 11.4 inches. However, it can adjust and become a single strap, so a crossbody, and it would lay at 20.9 inches this way. The only thing that I see that could get irritating when using the bag is where the straps lie in here. However, I do like that it kind of connects here, because that's less wear on the top of the bag, as opposed to like St. Laurent and Tory Burch, where there's like, it's all right here and it can wear on the leather. I think this is actually pretty smart. I think that's actually why they did it, was because it'll, one, also make it shorter, but I think it really helps with the leather. So yeah, this bag has 2 compartments. So one slot here, and then one large slit in the back. We have the tag, and yeah, I just think this is so cute. I'm literally, and I know I use this term a lot, but I'm literally obsessed with this. I think this is such a beautiful bag. I think it's such great quality, and I'm really excited to use this. So yeah, this is my new and my first Strathberry, and I'm really excited that I purchased this one. This is the vanilla, let me see what the exact name is, and vanilla embossed Croc. If you like this color, there is another similar, I think it's like oat Croc, and it's like a slightly beige-ish. I wanted this style because I think it's a good mix between like white and beige, and it's just so pretty. I'm obsessed with this. I love this. So yeah, let's go ahead and move into what fits, because first impressions, this bag is stunning and it just looks like it's incredible quality. So I have the iPhone, whatever number we're on, 13, 14 Pro, not the Max, but it is thicker. I have the MagSafe case and it fits perfectly in here. I feel like you could also fit the Max in here as well. I could be wrong though, but it does look like it could fit that. All right, so let's move the dust bag. I have my Chanel compact wallet. I'm currently not using, Chanel compact card holder that I use as a wallet. However, I'm currently using my Louis Vuitton like full wallet, so I can actually show you what it looks like. So I have the double one, so it's a little bit thicker. But what I loved about this is that it looked like I didn't have to change card holders, and yeah, it'll fit in here perfectly. So that can fit in the back. I have my phone in here. I can probably fit a lip gloss or I have a bottle of ibuprofen right here that we could work. So of course I have that. Let's grab, oh, here's my lip gloss. So you can fit some really good essentials in here, and then there's still room. Let me find my key. And we can try that. And then I think it's just great if for like a going out bag. I also think because of the like design, you can also use it to just like for everyday shopping or like going out somewhere. Okay, so we have the key in there. Let's see, will it close? Makes it a little bulky, so did it snap? Yeah, so that does fit everything, and then it's already kind of like pre-widened, so it doesn't expand the bag or ruin the shape at all. And oh, also, you know what, with the chain, having it connected to the bag, that's actually pretty smart. It prevents it from lifting the lid, so you can put more in here. So, oh, you guys, I love this brand. I think it's safe to say I love this brand. So, you know, typically because I've had bags with styles like this before, because if you have the chains up at the top, it's putting pressure on the flap, so it can easily like come open if you put too much stuff in it. However, when you have it on the interior and connected like this, it's holding that interior. There's no weight on the flap. So that way all the weight is pulling that interior pocket or the bag, the base, and not the flap itself. So it can be heavy, which if you want, and you don't have to worry about the flap just popping opening because you're holding it on your shoulder. I love that. That is so smart. And now I definitely want the larger size as well, so be prepared for that. But yeah, and the bag itself on its own, I think it said it's like 1 pound. So it's kind of on the heavier side, right? But I think it's because you have that Croc material and it's such thick material that's why it's a little bit on the heavier side. But even then, I wouldn't consider it like really heavy. Like I'm used to carrying more than this. So yeah, that is the Strathberry East to West Mini, what fits, and first impressions. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and thank you guys so much for watching.